Hello ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making spaghetti and chicken. So I have some chicken drumstick here. So for this recipe I'm going to use 2 packs of spaghetti. So I'll go ahead and I'll add some ginger. I'll add some minced garlic with parsley. I'll add some seasoning. Thyme. Some curry. And this is sliced habanero pepper. Okay. Some onion, a little bit of salt. So I'm going to take this now to the stove and just let it simmer. I'm going to add some beef stock to the chicken. So while my chicken is steaming, I'll go ahead and add 2 packs of spaghetti into a pot of hot water and let it cook until half done. So we're not cooking it all the way because we're still going to cook it in the sauce. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some salt. I like to add some vegetable oil so they don't stick together. So I'm going to let this cook for like say 5 to 8 minutes and then I will take it off and sieve it out. So guys, this pasta is ready. So I'm going to take it off of the fire, then sieve it with wash it with cold water just to stop the cooking. Okay. So this chicken is ready. I'm going to put it in the oven while I fry the bell peppers and onions for the spaghetti. Going with some vegetable oil. I'll let it heat up for a minute. So guys, I'm going to go in with 1 onion, one green bell pepper, one red bell pepper, garlic and parsley paste, seasoning, stir everything together. So I'll go in with 45 ounces of pasta sauce. So even 45 ounces. Okay. You just let it cook down for 5 minutes. So guys, right now I'm gonna go in with my already washed spaghetti. This goes in here. So just like that, guys, our spaghetti is ready. This chicken is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very beautiful week. Bye bye.